Do you have an intention of becoming a data analyst this 2024? Or you're a business owner who look forward to derive insight from your business data in order to be able to make a better decision? Or you are somebody who's tired of your current career and you look forward to transiting into data analyst? Stay with me on this channel as I'm going to be showing you some interesting news on how we can start a journey into becoming a professional data analyst this 2024. Stay with me. I'll be right back. Yeah, welcome back, guys. I remain your favorite coach, Coach Ola. On this channel, as you know, we share tips, mentorship, career, and resources on how you can become a professional data analyst. This video marks my second part of the pilot edition, and I hope you guys are going to support me by liking this video and also sharing this video with your friends. I also advise that you guys subscribe to this channel in order to get more insightful content like this as we kickstart our journey into becoming a data analyst. By the way, what is data analysis? Before we define what data analysis is, what is data itself? Data is a collection of raw facts and information, and through analysis, you can derive meaningful insights from those data. Example of data include things like the numbers of likes, numbers of views, the numbers of subscribers you have on your YouTube channel. Also, the age group in a particular classroom or the numbers of population in a particular country. All these are data. These are raw facts in which you can make meaningful insights from them through analysis. Over 328.77 millions of terabytes of data are being generated every day. Now imagine how massive this is. This enables you to know the power of data from different sources, like from social platforms, from databases, from websites, from different sources. So what is data analysis? Data analysis can be defined as a process of extracting actionable insights from your raw data in order to be able to make a better decision for your businesses. The responsibility of a data analyst varies from data gathering, data cleaning, data modeling, data interpreting, and data presentation. As somebody who is going to data analysis, you will need to learn some tools. As a data analyst, you need to get yourself equipped with some technical skills like the use of Excel spreadsheets, the use of Tableau and Power BI. These are both data visualization tools, as well the use of SQL, which is also known as SQL, and the last one is Python programming language, at least to mention few. Now, which one should you get started with? Due to my experience on this field, I will advise that you get started by learning SQL. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language that can be used to manipulate and as well derive insights from your database. Now, this might sound somehow because you'd be like, why should I have to start with SQL? Now, the thing is, with the demand in the market space right now, every job owner, every businesses demands a data analyst to understand how to use SQL. So, as I promised in my last video, I'm going to be sharing some content to you on how we can start learning data analysis together. So, the good news right here is this. I'm going to be starting this journey together with you by introducing you to the SQL programming language. I'm going to be teaching you what does SQL mean, what does it mean to be able to manipulate and derive insights from your data, what does it mean to be able to do data cleaning, what does it mean to be able to do data modeling. All of these I'm going to be sharing with you on my content. So because of this, I've prepared a well-detailed curriculum for you in order to be able to guide us together on this journey. Let's take a look together at this curriculum and see what I have in store for you. Now, to get started with, I'm going to be introducing you to the fundamental of data analysis and SQL, under which we are going to be knowing what is data analysis itself, what is SQL, and the categories of SQL commands that we have. We're also going to be looking at the benefit that SQL has, what are the types of data we deal with, what are the types of database that we have. And at the same time, we're also going to be looking at database management system. So all of these are what we're going to be looking at together under the fundamental of data analysis and the understanding of SQL. After then, we'll move to installing MySQL on our application. So obviously in this course, I'm going to be using MySQL. There are also some other database management software that we can easily use. But for easy access and understanding, I've choose to pick MySQL. After then, we go further into understanding the data query language. We move further to understanding SQL functions. What are SQL conditional statements? What are SQL join? What are database design and modeling? And in this particular part, we are going to be picking a case study. So the interesting thing about this is that we are not just learning. We are not just learning. Accept that we are not just learning. I'm going to be sharing real life projects with you on how you can design database, understand data modeling, how you can move your data into a database, and as well how you can be able to analyze and make meaningful insights from this database. After then, we look at data definition language. We also look at how do we work with table, how do we work with databases as well. We also look at how do we load our data from one particular source to a database. And after all of this, we are going to be picking a capstone project where we are going to be performing a data analysis on an e-commerce data set. So these are everything I've lined in stock for you together to be able to work together with me on this journey. If you are interested in this curriculum, you can click on the link down in the description and you'll be able to have access to this curriculum. So this is what I have in store for you. And I'm sure you are going to love this journey because I'm going to be working you hands on hands together on this. We're not just going to leave you out. So I'm going to be organizing one-on-one session, one-on-one meeting for anybody who is interested in order for you to be able to kickstart your journey this particular year. So if you are interested in this, click in the link below to get access to this curriculum. If you have any suggestion, maybe you have some interesting topic in which it could have been added to the curriculum, or you want to raise an observation about the curriculum, feel free to do that in the comment section. But I'm sure that this curriculum is well detailed enough for you to kickstart your journey into becoming a data analyst this 2024. So I will advise that you share this with your friends and relatives and also subscribe to this channel in order to receive notification anytime a new video drop on this channel. Thank you very much for your time and I remain your favorite coach, Coach Ola. Bye.